They're like this big.
Hey, love. Look, this is the one that Andre has.
Similar.
I think your machine shop needs that.
It's bigger. He is bigger.
Nice.
Getting something for that to
Like, look. Do you see it?
Look at that.
Look at the difference.
It's getting there.
Oh, it's good. You're talking 2-3 hours just doing this alone.
Woo! Scotty's committed. Committed. He might have to be committed.
Oh, that's fine. I thought you meant that.
Well, because this is hot, it burns up the compound twice as
He's all alone playing with a vacuum.
That's right. And brake cleaner.
Wow, you must be feeling all right, sir.
Better than here.
Damn it. A little bit of scrapey. Getting ready for the rusty.
Nasty
Oh, look at that.
stuff
It's coming right up.
We do need a wire wheel, though. That would help.
Yeah, wire wheel would be nice. Let me see if we can do that. Only saw him for a minute. There you go. Look at that.
Are you hoping to pack the screw out, or?
I was just trying to get enough of a hole in there so you could put the other thing in there.
It gives you a lot more surface area. And this is
It wasn't going in there.
so they have different grades of this for the bigger size. And they've got ones that have like embedded fiberglass. Really
Oh, yeah.
stuff up. We had to use that on this gun because it's totally polished.
Oop, shit. I'm breaking stuff. Little machine in. Remember, your 10-minute job is one broken bolt away from an 8-hour ordeal.
Yeah.
Every day. Wick is serious. Serious Wick.
Put the frontal down and step away from the bag, man.
Oh, girl. You need a beverage after this. You're thirsty. You're thirsty. That's a good picture, by the way. It should be a Coors Light ad.
Oh, like the picture I found of you as a baby?
Yeah. Baby on a beach drinking a Coors. Yes! That's exactly what I look like at my grandpa's pool down over here off a racket club in 1986.
I wonder if the other regulator is just as bad.
Regulators!
I don't know.
Yes!
This was the one
Fuck.
at the bottom, so they got some.
So we might want to squirt it with
Holes are plugged.
PB before we try taking it out.
We did it with some PV.
It's gotten a PB.
Like the one in the car still?
Oh, no, we haven't got to that yet. That's part 2. PV's always good if you can sit overnight.
Marinade. It's marinade for metal. That's rusty.
That's not lady.
Are you done?
Easy.
Really?
Send it, Zimmerman.
It's moving. It's moving.
Yeah, it broke forever.
It broke something.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, oh, wow.
Somebody get a crescent wrench and hold a nut. Mr. Sen, go grab a crescent wrench, sir. Or some channel locks.
I thought it was when your dad took the remote.
But the nut was in a little cage.
Oh, my
Yeah,
God.
the cage is rusted. Yeah, this is kind of small. They were really down.
But if it's
This is
spinning
at the
inside
bottom.
the cage,
Because when it turned, it bent the cage
I
out.
was like, I'm really.
Should be like the third door down on the right side.
I should have given him directions. It's fine. It's fine.
Right there.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It'll buff out.
It'll buff out. It's fine.
That's pretty amazing.
It's the penguin.
Ooh, the 90-degree vice grips. Well, nice choice. Wrong. Holy fuck. Good God, boys.
I think you're just going to flip it over so you got it. See some backside.
Did you locate the horn first?
Is it done? It's fucked.
Your horn doesn't work?
But the bolt's still full.
I need some time, so it's perfect. Oh, God, yeah.
Are you lying, Grant? I think Grant's lying.
And then you know what bop on the
tear it off.
Yeah. Yeah. It's holding you back.
Yep.
Holds us all back.
Use that He-Man strength.
Candy, that would be a tragedy.
Food alone.
Oh no.
Yeah, I do.
Andre wouldn't.
Breaking the window.
We're in trouble.
Not a single one.
Oh Jesus!
Did you say marital problems?
Yeah, he did. That thing is fight. Good lordy.
It's probably the most sturdy thing Fiat ever made.
Yeah.
Hey Tony, there's something you don't have to fix again.
If they made their engine blocks out of this shit, we'd be, yeah.
This is crazy.
Well, that's rusty. There you go.
Jesus.
Jesus.
More than that.
I was gonna like bust out the grinder.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you drive
I
that?
enjoyed it because
Do you drive that on the daily? Do you drive that on the daily?
I think it's
Like-
easy. Pull that little gear off.
Oh, okay.
You get the gear.
Did you really? Wow, that's amazing.
I put that on my car in 3 years. Well, everything I look at in Georgia is like,
Honey, it's a Jaguar. It breaks down every
I didn't see your pictures.
Oh, is that the show that you sent Bobby the Izetta? Right? Me and Oxnard?
Yes, yes.
I had the grand.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
A little file, a little done. And then Peter gets to learn how to use the blaster. Are you excited? Yeah.